At the VA, we are always learning, using new technology, new tools, and new ideas to provide the best possible care and services to our nation's veterans. To keep moving forward, we have to embrace change. But change can be frustrating, and research shows that most people resist change, at least at the beginning. If you are planning a change in your organization, you might think that clearly explaining what needs to happen and when is enough. Change is not a simple movement from point A, where we go now, to point B, where we want to go. Change is a complicated process that is not always completely successful. A strong argument for change is simply not enough to make it happen. So is there a way to make change feel less stressful for employees and also more effective?
It's normal for change to be challenging, but it doesn't have to be quite as stressful as people often experience. And to make it less stressful, it helps to follow a structured approach.
Some of the most important components that we like to think about using during change processes are communicating the change. So really talking with folks, helping them to understand what's going on, sharing your plan for the change, requesting input from folks. So really giving them a safe place to bring things to you, but creating that open dialogue for discussion.
Everybody does need to communicate about change and what the change is and how it impacts people. There's also people who need to feel supported in the change because it's stressful at times. But you can reduce that stress by feeling supported, getting the information that you need, getting the training that you need, resources, and feeling that you have some type of input into the change, and you do have that input, and you got that good communication.
There's a way to make change feel less stressful. One of the things that's important is for communication. That's a key part for management to be involved. It's important for them to be open to listening to the employees, make sure that they are hearing what difficulties they may be having, be patient with them in terms of learning, give them time to learn new processes.
When you thoughtfully manage change as a structured process, individuals and organizations transition from one state to another in well-planned phases with the help of activities that are tailored to each phase. Activities include targeted communication, requesting input from staff, providing necessary resources and personal support, and tracking outcomes. These activities are strategically implemented and evaluated along the way. Change management helps the people in your organization adapt to change more easily and reach the desired result more quickly, making your efforts as effective as possible. Let's look at some basic facts about change. Research shows most change projects face major setbacks. Performance may dip and projects may fail to achieve the intended goal. We may almost certainly encounter resistance, but does that mean we shouldn't make the effort?
Oftentimes people resist change. It's a very normal reaction to the change process.
It can feel costly to try to engage in a process that invites people to make comments or shape the direction, and I think sometimes leaders can feel concerned that there isn't enough time, but the time that you invest up front is what will save you that pushback later on.
Really the way to kind of help shepherd the change is to just be really mindful, kind of like that human factors, the people issues, of really understanding that sort of, people need to get ready for change, and there's going to be some natural sort of resistance and questions about why are we doing this, and some uncertainty about what to do differently. But that needs to be sort of shepherded and helped along.
Without formal change management, we see mixed results. Many setbacks happen when leaders don't fully appreciate the importance of formal change management. But when change is managed, the results are more positive.
To be most effective, you should start it early. As soon as you have a great idea or an idea of how things should be different, be thinking about what is the potential impact on the people who will be having to make this change.
Start by selecting someone on your team to actively manage the change. If you are a part of the change team, NCOD can offer coaching and consultation throughout the process.
NCOD usually talks with key leadership to get specifics about exactly what change they want to happen, and then that's where we work together to decide to develop an action plan.
We usually work with helping that leader or leadership team identify a group of people who can champion that change effort, and they can, working in collaboration with us, design a detailed change plan, and that would entail things like communication and training and feedback mechanism.
And then we set up regular check-ins to just check in and see how you're doing. And then at the end, certainly the follow-up, where you're at, what we can do to help you be successful or continue to be successful. So we're there with you throughout the entire process.
Measuring progress is another important part of change management. NCOD offers customized tools and reporting that measures how employees and customers are reacting to change. They can help you identify actions and strategies that will minimize the negative impact of resistance.
NCOD has several assessments that we've developed around change management. The great thing is they are free for VA use, so we can help you set those up, and then what we can do is help guide you through the results and the feedback part of it to help you make your plan moving forward.
A client would come away not just with the results from a single change management effort, but an exposure to a process that they could then apply in future change efforts.
To provide the best possible care and services to our veterans, we must remain open to new treatments, technologies, and processes. After all, change helps us evolve, learn, and improve. With support from NCOD, you can help employees adjust to changes and reach more positive outcomes more quickly. Even positive changes can be stressful. You can't avoid change, but when it happens, you can choose to make it better. NCOD is here to help.